It's a beautiful day. Happy after Independence Day morning to you all. I'm impressed. And again, hello to our friends watching on onespotmedia.com. Hello to all our friends who are on the island right now, visiting during the summer holidays. This is Smile Jamaica, the greatest and the best morning show in Jamaica. Just so if you didn't know, now you know. And you have been blessed earlier, and I'm sure you'll be blessed again by the sounds of Abby Dallas. She has been giving us some amazing performances all morning. On our band Wednesday, we get a chance to speak with her now. She's a recording artist. How are you?
I'm good.
Not just a performer, but a recording artist.
Yes.
Tell me about your records, Abby.
Well, as you know, I'm not just a recording artist, I'm also a musician. I studied music at Edna Manley College.
Yes.
And from there, I went on, I did JCDC, the festival song competition winner for 2012 for Jamaica 50. With a song titled Real Born Jamaican.
Yes.
After which I released a song called From My Heart. Then I went on to He's Just Not Into You Extraordinary. And now I'm here
Yes.
with my brand new single and I'm promoting Rude Boy Lovin'.
Rude
Boy Lovin'.
Rude Boy Lovin'. I don't want to ask you about where that came from. But I'm sure all of us know about the Rude Boy Lovin'. I'm sure many ladies can relate. True?
Yes, yes.
Uh-huh. So where are we going now with your career? Records? Can we purchase your albums online, your singles?
I actually have an EP out called Destin, but I'm actually working on a new EP. But I'm currently pushing the single Rude Boy Lovin', which will be released on Friday. So the audio is coming out on Friday, and Saturday the video is coming out on Reggaeville, so it's going to be hot and steamy.
Excellent. Tell me about your musicians this morning and musicians on your record.
Well, I mean, the song was produced by Lamar Brown, a.k.a. Riff Raff. And, I mean, so far the journey has been good, and the band, everybody is from Edna, so, it's like we're like a family, and I just want to say thank them, because without them, this wouldn't be possible too. So,
Yes.
big them up.
Oh, excellent. Edna Manley does produce some amazing musicians,
True.
amazing musicians passed through Edna.
Yes.
Is it good to study music? Would you recommend it, music on a whole?
I mean, I think it's good for an artist to know their instrument, because I always say your voice is an instrument, but also study a keyboard, a guitar, or something to be musical, to know what you're about. So therefore, you can say to the musician, this is what I want, to always know what you want.
And you have also toured with some great musicians like Diana King. Tell us some of the others.
Tanya Stevenson, Queen I Freak. I've done work with Shaggy, Dean Fraser, you name it.
As a vocalist?
Yes.
Amazing.
Like in studio,
but
mostly I've been touring with Diana King for around probably 10, 11 years.
Sugar, Sugar.
Yes.
Come on, me an artist, That's one of my favorite songs.
Yes.
Oh Lord have
Mercy, 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 the man them inna the party, party, party. The whole of them sexy, sexy, sexy. Watch them just a follow me, follow me, follow me.
Hey! Yeah, man. That tune, like, seriously.
Yeah, that's like
I have a story, Abby. I remember I was in Thailand.
Mm-hmm.
And I was making little money on the road, and I said, so I go sing with this band. So, I got up on the stage in a hotel and started singing Diana King Shaggy.
Cool.
And the people went wild. A couple
Yeah,
Bob
they
Marley
always
tunes,
go
etc.
crazy.
Yeah, so I got a little work like that, so I could get little money to
Yeah.
enjoy my holiday. Cool, right? So thank you, Diana. Abby, so you're going to be performing which song next on our stage?
Well, I'll be performing a next love song, because I believe that, Jamaica need love.
Yeah.
So I'm just all about love.
We do need more love.
Yeah.
We do need more love. The beautiful sounds of Abby Dallas will grace our Smile stage when we return. My people, this is Smile Jamaica again, the greatest morning show in the world. Of course. It's Jamaican. Everything Jamaican nice, right, Abby?
Everything nice. Real band Jamaica.
Rap, 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 rap. Pull up that.